India is my country. All Indians, my brothers and sisters. I love my country. And I am proud of each rich and varied heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give respect to my parents, teachers, and all elders, and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity, hello life, my happiness. Jai Hind.
Today International National is brought to you by T. Lokesh from Grade-IX Cerulean. International news. Russia makes gains South Ukraine as it expands frontline attacks. National news. 9 exit polls project decisive majority for NDA in Bihar. Thank you.
News brought to you by Imshnikaton of Grade-IX Cerulean. Sport news. Sri Lanka continued tour of Pakistan display players raising security. State news. Telangana Konda Sureka withdraws Nagarjuna and his family. Thank you.
Report is brought to you by S. Bharati from Grade-IX Cerulean. Maximum temperature 36 Celsius, minimum temperature 61 Celsius, wind speed per hour 11 kilometers, humidity 69 per hour. Thank you. Today thought is brought to you by Sirisha from Grade-IX Cerulean. Thought: only those who will risk going too far can possibly find out how far one can go. I'll repeat it again. Only those who will risk going too far can possibly find out how far one can go. Thank you.
Happy morning everyone. Today's word is brought to you by B. Jashwant Grade-IX Cerulean. Harvest. Its meaning is the process in period of gathering in crops. Friends, please spell after me. Harvest. Harvest. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning everyone. Today's GK questions are brought to you by Shomani from Grade-IX Cerulean. Question for grade 12. What is the full form of AIR? I repeat my question. What is the full form of AIR? Yes, you picked the right answer, and the answer is All Indian Rankers. Let us appreciate them. Question for grade 8. What is the full form of HTML? Yes, you picked the right answer, and the answer is Hypertext Markup Language. Let us appreciate them. Question for grade 9. What is the full form of BIOS? I repeat my question. What is the full form of BIOS? Sorry, you did not pick the right answer, and the answer is Basic Input Output System. Open questions. What is the full form of FIR?
First information report.
Yes, you picked the right answer, and the answer is First Information Report. Let us appreciate them. Thank you and have a nice day.
Today I am Abhishek of Grade-IX Cerulean. Now I want to talk about National Youth Musician Day. It is celebrated. Happy morning everyone. I am Abhishek of Grade-IX Cerulean. Now I want to talk about National Youth Musician Day. It is celebrated on November 13 every year. This day is to celebrate the people who fulfill our life with music and joy. Their music lift our spirit, comfort of heart, and unite. Musicians are the heartbeat of our emotions and celebrations. Musicians spend hours and hours perfecting their arts just to make us smile. Behind of melodious music, they do practice. There is practice, passion. This day is to say thank to them. Thank you.